Ṣẹ́ṣì wà nílé ọkọ ṣá. Ṣẹ́rí obìnrin tó bá fẹ́ advice obìnrin before you come outside come dey talk about woman. Ṣé woman ṣe.
Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ẹ wá gbọ́ àṣírí rògbòdìyàn tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Àǹtí Láìdé Bákàrè àti ọ̀gbẹ́ni Pọ́tébù wèrè olórin. Ẹ gbọ́ kí ló fa ìdí ọ̀rọ̀ tí Pọ́tébù ń sọ tó fi ń béèrè pé ṣé Àǹtí Láìdé Bákàrè ǹjẹ́ ẹ wà nílé ọkọ ṣá? Ṣé rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó mọ̀ lágbára? Ẹ gbọ́, ṣó yẹ kí Pọ́tébù sọrú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Ṣé irú ọ̀rọ̀ tí Pọ́tébù sọ yìí ṣó gba ẹnu Pọ́tébù sí Àǹtí Láìdé Bákàrè? Ẹ rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tóbi ó lágbára, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ wò ó, bẹ́yìn ò bá mọ̀ dí ọ̀rọ̀ kó wádìí ẹ̀ dáadáa o. Ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ ìdí gangan tí Pọ́tébù fi sọ̀rọ̀ sí Àǹtí Láìdé Bákàrè àti pé kí ni Àǹtí Láìdé Bákàrè kí ló fi fèsì fún Pọ́tébù. Ẹ wò ó, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé, àní kí ló wà láàrin Àǹtí Láìdé Bákàrè? Kí ni àṣírí tó wà láàrin Àǹtí Láìdé Bákàrè àti Pọ́tébù? Àti Pọ́tébù ọmọ Lálọ́mí wèrè olórin, inú fọ́nrán náà lẹ́ẹ̀ ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀. Ẹ má jẹ́ gbà yín lákòókò, ẹ tún wá lọ gbọ́rọ̀ yìí síwájú sí i.
Pọ́tébù, jẹ́ kí orí ẹ̀ kó pé. Jẹ́ kó orí ẹ̀ pé. I'm not sure you are okay. I'm not sure you are okay. Pọ́tébù, this will be, in fact, jẹ́ kí orí ẹ̀ kó pé. Jẹ́ kí orí ẹ̀ kó pé. Jẹ́ kí orí ẹ̀ kó pé. Jẹ́ kí orí ẹ̀ kó pé.
Hello, Aunty Laide Bakare, you're like, wow, that one way talk, no be true to say work in Nigeria. Where you see work? Even okay, work in Nigeria, now you japa for Nigeria. Ṣẹ́ṣì wà nílé ọkọ ṣá. Ṣẹ́rí obìnrin tó bá fẹ́ advice obìnrin before you come outside come dey talk about woman. Say woman say toto. Say woman dey go dey stay under Arabo. Say woman go Libya. Woman do this, woman dey try. Let me tell you something. Wá ní Nàìjíríà ìbò tẹ̀ jẹ́ àwa lọ́lọ́run fún ní adé orí ká máa ṣe adé orí yín, ìyẹn ẹ̀yin obìnrin. Bọ̀ lọ́run tẹ́ bá ti tráfù lọ́wọ́ ti ya yín ọ̀tọ̀. Jápa wé sẹ́s. Àǹtí Láìdé ṣe wà nílé ọkọ wọn tí ó ju pé àwọn àbúrò yín ẹ̀ jẹ́ òkú àwọn àbúrò yín tó lọ ṣiṣẹ́. Kó ṣe gbé yẹn ló lọ ṣe olóṣó ní Libya náà. Ọ̀rẹ́dẹ̀hùn yìí kó sọ díẹ̀ di ṣáláńgá ó di tiẹ̀ ní Libya. Báwọn kan lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ọlọ́mọjà padà àgbàkó náà àwọn kan lọ pàdé oríire. Dẹ̀nṣẹ́ àti múnátì Libya àti Láìdé sẹ́yìn náà lọ Libya rè nílẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ń bẹ̀ yẹn. You don't do am before. Sẹ́yìn náà ti láàdì àràbò rí ni lẹ́sẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ń bẹ̀ tẹ́yìn náà sì Nàìjíríà. Dẹ̀nṣẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n pé wọ́n pààyàn ní Benue. Ọ̀rọ̀ Benue ló ń sọ lọ́wọ́ ẹjọ́ tó Ọlọ́run o. They keep people for Benue. You no see that one. Ṣẹ́ẹ̀rì fíìmù drop ni àti fíìmù ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe o Àǹtí Láìdé ọ̀rọ̀ Libya táwọn ọmọ Libya bá ṣiṣẹ́ pè pa yín.
Domestic work for people for Arabo, they call them Arabu house. Àwọn máa wá fìyà jẹ yín, wọ́n á tún tọ́ sí yín lórí, then go shit for una head, they will not pay you, you will be working, so you have sponsor, somebody that will sponsor you there, just because you are so egocentric. Those jobs that are available here in Nigeria, you cannot do it. You prefer to go to Arab country where they will treat you like animals. Nigerians. Anyway, thank God I'm beginning to have grown-ups. I don't need domestic staff. I'll be teaching my children. Oh yeah, when you wake up, lay bed, make your breakfast, do your thing by yourself. Me, America, let me show you. See? Sherry, it's very serene, it's very quiet, you do your things by yourself. If I go to anywhere like this, I will drive to the mall, to the supermarket, I will do my shopping, I will come home, I will take my things, I will put them in fridge. I'll make my breakfast, I'll make my food. Tẹ́ bá mọ̀ yàtọ̀ ń jẹ ní gbogbo àwọn countries náà sì máa lọ ń ṣe domestic work, but lè ṣe ní Nàìjíríà, prefer kí yà lọ jẹ yín in another country. Wádìí máa ṣe báyìí pé mo ṣètò láti lóyìnbó, mo ṣe me. Please let me see your comments. see your comment. Let me see your comment. Drop comment on that this post. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mi nígbà wo mo sì máa ṣe content lórí ẹ̀ gan. Ẹ prefer kẹ́ máa lọ lóyìn bí animal bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. But ní Nàìjíríà, Lekki nìkan lẹ ti fẹ́ dúró. If it's not Lekki, you can't stay anywhere. Plus Lekki lẹ ti fẹ́ dúró yẹn náà kò ṣe pé ẹ fẹ́ dúró. Bí happy 2-3 months lẹ máa ń plan. Ẹ máa ní plans yín. You see that 21-year-old, 30-year-old, 29, 25, tẹ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń bímọ yẹn. Àánú yín ṣe mí. It's all these people. What see, give me more stories. The reason why people prefer ibẹ̀ ju Nigeria lọ. Give me more reasons. Kemalola, Mali, Libya, Qatar, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan. Because of pride. Iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kẹ́ máa ṣe Nigeria. I prefer lo ma ṣe ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Wọ́n máa treat yín bí ẹranko. I need more stories beneath this video. I need more stories. This is weekend. Mo fẹ́ gbádùn ara mi. I need more stories. Mo máa ṣe content lẹ́yìn lórí ó máa pọ̀ gan. That's why lo ṣe máa ń dàbẹ̀ ni wípé àwọn ẹlòmíì wà wọ́n wà happy. Àwọn ẹlòmíì wà wọ́n wà happy. Bó ṣe wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n wà happy. Àwọn tàwa máa struggle pa fẹ́ lọ gbà yín wá. Inú yín máa dùn pé wà ń bẹ̀. I rest my case. So don't get it twisted. This is not insulting matter. This is not an issue you trivialize. Don't trivialize it. Don't cover it up. Don't act as if everything is fine. If things might be fine in your own workplace, I understand some people actually that are working there, that are happy working there, they came out with their truth that they enjoyed working there and I want them that good money. That is you. It does not mean that some people are not suffering. And it doesn't mean that there is no such job opportunity in Nigeria. And that does not mean that it's a must that it has to be a domestic or housework, job you want to take up. I told you in my previous videos that there are so many things we can come together to do. And if we want to build this country, Japa is not all this Japa, well-developed country. Well, organized. I love you. It's because I love you. I want you to be where you will be treated good. I love you. That's the reason. So what's the insult matter? And not the way you see abuse, the insult, they pain us. People like us. I don't know. Sometimes maybe because we might give some reactions and you feel jolara. No, it's not they enter us. Because this is what we eat, we live. We will not be so. But honestly, I love you. Regardless, I love you. I love you so much. I love you because I figure it's the love you have for me that makes you react like, oh, why is she talking like this? Oh, we love her. Why is she not talking? She doesn't even have sense. And why is she not talking like this? Don't worry. When I begin to, when a lot of things is much more clearer to you, you will know that I love you so much and I have sense and I care for you. And it's only because the feeling I have, I don't want you to suffer. I don't want anybody to maltreat you. I love you genuinely. I love you so much. And I mean it that I love you. So guys, let's keep our fingers crossed and let's be good. So for those that reached out to me that need help, we are working. Help is on the way. Keep doing good. We got you know how long you people have been with me. So we are together. I love you. I love you. I love you. Chop kiss. Portable. Jẹ́ kí orí ẹ kó pé. Jẹ́ kí orí ẹ pé. I'm not sure you are okay. I'm not sure you are okay. Portable, this will be, in fact, jẹ́ kí orí ẹ kó pé. Jẹ́ kí orí ẹ kó pé. Jẹ́ kí orí ẹ kó pé. Jẹ́ kí orí ẹ kó pé.
Ẹ má mà bínú o, gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti láǹfààní tẹ́ ẹ lórí ọ̀fẹ́ tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ mi. Bí mo ṣe wọlé ló yẹ kí n kí yín, ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ló ká mi lára o. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Mo kọ́mọdé, mo kágbà, mo kọ́kùnrin, mo kóbìnrin o. Èmi ọmọ yín, àbúrò yín náà ni Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ẹ wo bí fọ́nrán ń ṣe lọ náà ni a sì ní ká tó mú wá sétí ìgbọ́yín. Fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ẹ subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà kẹ́yìn náà lè bá a máa jàǹfààní gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń mú wá sórí ètò yìí. Ó ní kinní kan bí aago báyìí táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní notification bell. Ẹ mọ́ tẹ kinní aago ọ̀hún kẹ́ ẹ on notification bell yín sílẹ̀ kẹ́yìn náà lè máa jàǹfààní gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ bá mú wá. Ẹ wo ẹ share fọ́nrán yìí, ẹ jẹ́ kó kan gbogbo àwọn tí ò tí mọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kó kàn wọ́n lára. Ohun tẹ́yìn náà bá fẹ́ sọ lórí fọ́nrán yìí kẹ́ sọ sí àpò kọ́mẹ́ǹtì wa. Ire lójú owó rí, ire lójú ọ̀la rí, ire lójú gbogbo wa ò mọ̀ rí o. Ire o, ó dìgbà. Orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà lẹ́wà. Ẹ má gbé kúrò ńbẹ̀, kẹ́ máa bá wa like ẹ̀, kẹ́ máa bá wa share rẹ̀.